This is the Outsiders Club. See, they can't hang with the other guys. They've been thrown out. I saw him wearing the mask in the truck, Carlos.
He was wearing a mask in the truck.
He was wearing a mask in the truck.
What's going to get you in the truck, man?
Who was wearing a mask?
What's going to get you in the truck?
Look at this ugly crew.
You know, you kind of guys look like the opposite of an Oreo cookie.
Hold in there,
Mike Night Train, Adrian Mateo Jones, Mike Kenny. There's Ed. There's Carlos back from the sky. There's Bob Casey. Mitch. Rodney. Johnny Drone Flyer. Matt Cundiff. Brad Alston. Matt Cundiff.
Where's Matt?
Matt's over there somewhere.
He's flying.
That's all right. I got the two Michaels screwed up again, too. Michael Wright and Michael Blade.
And Michael Kenny and Michael Lee.
Too many Michaels.
Hey, you gotta change your name.
Say Michael, everybody
That's right, that's right.
I'll change it to like Jim.
Capture Life, right?
Yep, Capture Life Connection. New York City, we here.
Long Island to Florida. Sailed out in '93.
Yeah, I know, you were in that line.
Tony, did we do this? Jim Boyd?
Hey, Anthony. Nice to meet you, man. I got sodas and water if you need right here. Thanks, I'm or good. right here. I'm not going to be too much longer either.
Small Yeti for Christmas.
We're talking Cup Envy now. Rodney Bell Cup Envy. Kelly. Well, with Michael Wright, Michael Blade. I think I got everybody's name wrong today with the Mike. Mike. Jim Boyd, Above and Beyond. You are? John Carroll. Doing good, my friend, doing good. Great turnout.
Jim, nice to finally meet you. I'm age 6'3", the one always...
Oh, John 863!
Yeah. The one that's always in Adrian's feet. Active circus.
No. This was not happening yesterday. It was still as could be yesterday.
Man, we loved it. MTV Day was good yesterday.
This is insane, Art.
I get it.
Carlos is giving him a push.
Dude, you gotta put your feet on the pegs. You're gonna freewheel it?
Quit being a wussy and go. That's the real Dan.
Look out. Like you're going up?
Going up.
I'll be right over. Hey, I like that bag, buddy. Got a hat. That's quite a bag.
Oh, that was funny.
Fits in the suitcase, too.
Oh, here comes Mike's stuff.
Yeah, now. It took forever to get
Don't go to the dark side with Dan. We were betting it wouldn't carry Dan, but it did.
Oh my God.
It did carry you.
Yeah, it was pegged. It took forever to get up to speed.
Too hot?
April 1st.
Dang, he's going clean. Hey, I gotta tell you something. Rick said to me on a Facebook Messenger that it was so glad to see you come on the stream that one night. Because you know how you never come on, you're shy and all that? He really did enjoy that, man.
Yeah. He's always encouraged me, man. He said, I was the same way when I started, Bob. Just keep going at it. Keep trying it. You know what I'm saying? That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, Brad did.
Brad went to the beach and so they do this. They do it. Rick tells the thing.
It's just kind of trying my best to try.
Sure.
Don't forget this.
I can't believe it. Every time you get there, I don't remember where I go.
I just got him walking back in with it.
I just considered it a loss.
You sorted out.
Is it that far? I thought it was more over here. I gotta find that shit.
DJI drone went into the water and he found it. Look at this crowd trying to watch it. I'll catch it.
Unplug that shit.
Yeah, you got it.
These rocks move.
That water is freaking bathtub. Water's warm? Oh, it's so warm. So Aquaman and me are cousins.
Look at this cat. He actually went in the water after the drone.
That shit's gonna go viral.
Look at the prop.
Oh yeah. Well, I got extra props. That was my first mishap at all.
At least it was a soft landing.
Got a raptor going on over here.
Not Mitch. That's who the winner is. Always is the winner. It's not Mitch. I did the raffles where they had prizes for everybody, and I still didn't win.
Mitch won!
Hey, I won!
Kenny! Mike Kenny's right here. Come on, Mike.
Thank you, sir.
Right here. There's Mike. Mike's over here.
Right over here. That's nice. He's
That's the hotel manager. He's not here.
Hey, sir. How about we just really
Eat, sleep,
There you go.
the landing pin! Oh, you want a prize? All right, cool. Hey, love my drones!
I said, we'll make sure he gets it.
Mike Kelly. Thanks, Mike.
You got a sticker. Look, Bob Casey.
Bob Casey. Yeah, that's yours, Bob.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you.
I know they're tattoos.
Until battery dies.
Firehouse lights! Nice! 1 to 30 this time! Firehouse lights! 1 to 30!
1 to 30.
There's nobody in frame. Everybody stand off the left.
I want you to go right in.
Later, Jimbo!
See you later, Ken.
Yeah, I mean, I'm saying goodbye to like Rodney's. You're coming tomorrow now. I'm not coming tomorrow. I gotta go to university.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Getting some good footage?